In a world full of endless possibilities, you are the architect of your own destiny. Today, we invite you to embrace your unique journey, for within you lies a power beyond measure. Welcome to the extraordinary story of self-discovery. Life is not a spectator sport, it is a masterpiece waiting to be painted. As the sun rises on a brand new day, so does the chance to create something extraordinary. Within the depths of your being, there exists a burning fire, a spark that ignites your passions and fuels your dreams. It's time to unleash the untamed spirit within. Surround yourself with those who believe in your journey, for together, you can conquer any challenge that comes your way. United, you become an unstoppable force, pushing boundaries and shattering limits. Each moment presents an opportunity for growth and transformation. Like an artist before a blank canvas, you hold the power to turn your dreams into vibrant reality. Embrace the unknown and fearlessly paint the strokes of your life. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to greatness. The road to success is paved with perseverance, dedication, and an unwavering belief in your abilities. With each new challenge, you find the strength to rise above and conquer. Remember, your journey is not meant to be walked alone. Embrace the power of community and celebrate the successes of others. By lifting each other up, we create a ripple effect that inspires countless souls to chase their dreams. The greatest triumphs often lie just beyond our comfort zones. Take a leap of faith into the unknown, trusting that the universe will guide you. Embrace the thrill of uncertainty, for it is here that you discover your true potential. And when you reach the summit of your journey, stand tall and proud. Celebrate your achievements, for you have crafted a life that is uniquely yours. Your legacy will inspire generations to come. So, my friend, embrace your inner artist, entrepreneur, trailblazer, and dreamer. Your life is a symphony waiting to be composed, a dance waiting to be choreographed, and an adventure waiting to be written. Unleash your brilliance and make every moment count. Life is your canvas, and the world eagerly awaits your masterpiece. Seize the brush and unleash the extraordinary.